Hey, psst, hey, Sparky, come here. Are you an ace of sales? Oh, yeah, Jeffrey. You know, I really don't think so. I think you're a three of clubs. What do you mean? I'm good at sales. My customers love me. Do they really? Or do they take the lowest bid and then call you up and say, you know, you lost this one, but good luck on the next one? The reason you lose sales to price is because you have no relationship with people. And you don't use your CRM or the R in CRM, relationship, in order to be able to build that relationship and earn sales regardless of price. The Ace of Sales, brand new program, endorsed by me and speckled with my personalized video training inside of each piece to help you make the sale, is now available to you. And I'm challenging you. You may look at it and go, well, how much does it cost? Answer, doesn't cost a dime. Oh, there's an investment. But you have to make the investment in yourself. You think the boss will buy it for me? What do you care? Huh? You have your own money now. You can begin to invest in the most important person in the world. Go to aceofsales.com, take the demo, see if you're worth investing in you. I'm Jeffrey Gitomer. I'm the Ace of Sales, and you can be too.